So in AutoCAD, we're going to kick off a new drawing and use AutoCAD DWT blank generic drawing. And if I start the line command, we'll notice down here at the bottom left corner is our origin point. So we just strike a point and we move up and to the right. And you'll notice that the length on that line is currently at 54.2652 inches at about a 24-degree angle. And if I scroll out, I'm limited to the distance and direction that can go, and I can't go much further. Now, there's two ways to get yourself more space, and what you can do is just after starting the line command, point in a direction and run like 300 by comma 300, and that just shoots you off into oblivion. And then you can just zoom extents, and that allows you to zoom much further than that drawn object, and then you can just delete it. And now your drawing limit space is unlocked and you can see much more of your screen. The other method is using the limits command. The limits command can actually prompt you to specify the lower left corner of your limits. So if I hit enter, it'll execute the 0, 0, and then it'll ask me to specify my upper right corner. And so here I can just designate that it's 3000, 3000. And when I zoom extents, all of that will zoom to fit my screen. So that's the other way. You can also just use the limits off on the command line, and that toggles the limits off. And so now when you zoom in and out, it's completely free. So that's drawing limits in a nutshell. And if your template for your project is not already set up with drawing limits open, you may not be able to see something that's drawn off in space. So this is the way to unlock that.